So welcome back to the second video, and we will now get into trading journals and journaling trades. And we strongly believe that trading journals are the most important tool for any trader. And on Tradeciety, we developed also the Edgewong trading journal, which is currently used by hundreds and hundreds of traders, professionals, amateur traders, fund traders, retail traders, and it is used across all the world. And we strongly believe that journaling trades can have a big impact on the trading performance of any trader. So let me just ask you a question. Do you remember your last 5, 10 or 20 trades? And not just did you lose money over the last 5 or 10 trades, but do you really understand or do you really remember how you executed your trades? What were the common patterns in your trading? Did you break your rules? Did you follow your rules more? And why did it happen? What are the real problems that you had over the last 10 or 20 trades? And probably most traders don't remember that, and that is totally normal. And you should look at a more professional approach, because everybody is looking for professional results, but they are approaching trading from a very amateur mindset and from a very amateur standpoint. And a trading journal is the #1 tool that will help you make the difference between the professional and the amateur trading world. So the death to all traders, as I already mentioned, is what I call riding the learning curve, method hunting, or system hopping, whatever you want to call that. I strongly believe that this is one of the common problems that many traders will give up eventually on trading without ever seeing any results. And this happens because traders change their methods all the time, and they really don't understand why they are losing money. And one of the reasons, or the main reason here actually, is that they never have any real review process in place. They don't record their trades, so they don't really understand why they are losing money, what works, what doesn't. And then improvement becomes impossible if you don't really know what you are doing and what works well and what doesn't. So a trading journal helps you look beyond that, and it helps you find the real cause of your problems. So here are the reasons for system hopping and the reasons why so many traders eventually give up. So please make sure that you take your time, process this information to make sure that you are not falling for this trap and that you're not falling behind, and you can stay on top of things and become a better trader eventually and not waste a lot of time and money in or during your journey as a trader. So believing that the system doesn't work is a very big problem, and many traders have no way of quantifying the results, and they don't really understand, is it really the system that is the problem here, or is it the trader that is making the bad trading decisions and the mistakes and eventually causing the losses? So a trading journal helps you find that out. Not seeing good results is obviously also a problem, which then leads to system hopping, and having bad results is either a question of breaking your rules or your system is failing. But again, as I said, without a journal, you cannot quantify the mistakes and you cannot really pinpoint why things are not going according to plan. And as I mentioned in the first video, not knowing about the importance of processes and progress and structures in your trading, then it is very hard to make improvements. No system will work right from the start, and it's a trader's job to keep improving the system, keep working on yourself, and then eventually over time become better and better. As I said, the cure is a routine, a process, and a journaling routine in general. A routine and a journal, they hold you accountable. You are facing your problems head on. You are not trying to neglect it, or you're not trying to find excuses. A journal shows you in black and white, hard numbers. You cannot argue with your trading journal. It shows you exactly where you are doing wrong and what is working for you. And it also helps you to establish a repeatable process, and so you can get more consistent results. And as I mentioned already, only if you have consistent results and a consistent approach, then you can start analyzing your problems, or you can find out what works well, and then you can eventually turn your trading around and become a better trader. So here, benefits of having a trading journal, and in the next videos we will get into the specifics. I will show you exactly how to keep a trading journal, what to look for in your journal, and which metrics and things that you need to consult. So a trading journal helps you become aware of your mistakes. You're not closing your eyes. You have to face them and face your problems, and a journal is doing just that for you. At the same time, the metrics in your trading journal, especially if you're using Edgewong, the one which we recommend and which we built based on our own trading journals that we have used for years, it helps you to optimize your entries, also how you manage your trades. You can analyze trade management behavior, how you manage your stop loss, your take profits, your exits, and then you can over time improve all the different areas with the right metrics. At the same time, it also helps you to improve your mental game. In Edgewonk, we included a lot of emotional tools which analyzes your trading behavior and your discipline and your overall approach, and this is a very big factor for many traders. And so over time, once you keep regularly journaling your trades, you'll become aware of your patterns, your problems, and then once you are making live trading decisions, you will remember what your trading journal told you, and then you can avoid mistakes before they happen. And so again, you trade with confidence, you can execute your trades much better, you know exactly what to look for, and you can remove a lot of uncertainty and doubts from your trading, which causes so many problems for traders. So again, let's wrap this up. A journal helps you to relive your trades once again. You enter your trades after you're done with your trading day, and then it raises your awareness for yourself, for your trading approach. And so you can learn from your mistakes over time. Without a trading journal, there is no learning process. And in trading in general, there is no learning by doing. Everything that is important happens before the market opens and after the market closes, and that is where traders really see the big difference in their trading. As I said, the algorithms of Edgewonk, they analyze every part of your trading, from entries to stops, take profit placement, trade management, exiting trades, risk management, position sizing, and so you get actionable tips that will help you make very targeted improvements. And the mental tools, especially the tilt meter, which we will get to know in a later video, is a good way to perform a quick morning check. It helps you to analyze your current state of mind. Are you in a drawdown, in an updraw? Do you keep repeating the same mistakes? Which mistakes are you actually repeating? And so that is also very important. And again, a consistent approach will give you consistent results and it will boost your confidence. This is a very important point, and I really want to drive that home, that you are approaching it from the right end and not doing the opposite way, which so many traders do. So always start with a consistent approach first, then you get consistent results, and based on those results you can then make very good improvements over time. So as I said, we built the Edgewonk Trading Journal, which we have developed over years just using our own trading journals, and we keep improving it every week and every month based on our own experience, what we want to track, but also the feedback from our users, from other traders. So we are dedicated to making Edgewonk the #1 trading journal. Moritz is my partner, my friend, and he has a very big background in poker. He comes from professional poker, where performance analysis is a very big part, and I come from a corporate finance world, where obviously also knowing your profit and loss and just keeping detailed records about everything that happens is very important. So we know about the importance of journaling, record keeping, and performance analysis, and that you will see also in Edgewonk. And so when most traders think about journaling and entering trades in a journal, they think of a very boring and tedious task. So our mission with Edgewonk is it to make journaling fun again, to show you really what you're working towards. You need to understand that journaling is necessary, and it can be a fun experience if you know that every trade that you enter in your trading journal will bring you closer to your goal of seeing better results and consistent results, and eventually improve your trading performance. So I think that's a good way to end it, and a good introduction to trading journals, having trading routines. And so in the next 3 videos, we will get into very specific concepts into journaling trades, and what to look for in a trading journal, which metrics to consult, and what are must-have things in your trading journal. So again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.